welcome back, or more likely to, my channel. Today we're going to be making a matcha iced latte drink. Iced matcha green tea latte. It's not a lot of ingredients. It's matcha powder, a cup, ice, and milk, and a little bit of water. So I bought this off of Amazon. It's called the Carrington Farms Culinary Matcha Powder Finely Ground Green Tea. It's perfect for cooking, baking, and smoothies. This powder is actually super fine, I guess because you can use it for baking too, so it didn't like clump up a lot. So anyway, I don't know why we're still talking about this. Let's just get into the video. If you do like these kinds of weird rambly videos, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my other social media links down below. And you are going to pour in a spoonful of the matcha into the cup. Put in a tiny bit of water just to mix it up until there's like no clumps or anything. You might use a whisk, you might just use a spoon. I'm just using a spoon. And then once that's all mixed together, you can add your other ingredients, which would be your sugar or your honey or whatever sweetener you want. I chose to use honey, which I think is really good in teas, which is why I chose to use the honey. I also chose to use almond milk because I really like almond milk in my teas and coffees. Just add that all together, mix it all up really good, and then you just mix it all together. Then all you need to do is put ice in a larger cup because there's going to be more volume. So you put ice in a larger cup and then you just dump it over the ice. Give it a little quick mix and you're ready to go. And that's really all you have to do to make this iced green tea matcha latte, whatever. And it's really tasty. And that is my iced green tea latte. Oh, I said it right then. No, iced matcha green tea latte. This is a really good alternative to going to Starbucks, and I did order this off of Amazon. I got it a while ago though, so I'm not sure if it's still available, but with your almond milk, your honey, and your matcha, it's a very tasty, tasty drink. Okay, so that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, check out my other social media links down below, and hope to see you guys next time. Bye!